Good afternoon. Today is the 6th of November 2016 and we've been having a legal seminar series presented by me, Karen Harding, lawyer of Auckland, New Zealand, on various legal concepts. We've talked about therapeutic jurisprudence, we've talked about preventative law and preventative lawyering, and now we're just going to have a brief overview of what the concept of holistic law is about. So what is holistic law? In a narrow context, holistic law favours an approach that addresses all the litigants' legal problems at the same time. This is a broad approach and it considers the legal problems are interrelated with that person's psychological needs, their health and other life issues. It requires legal actors to work collaboratively with other professionals from other disciplines to address the litigant's needs with a focus on the emotional well-being of the litigant. Holistic approaches involve a great emphasis on the quality of the relationship between the lawyer and the client and or the judicial officer such as the judge and the litigant. So the importance of interpersonal skills in promoting legal and related outcomes is really important, and it involves adopting the ethic of care principles in the practice of law. So in this regard, the importance of relationships are really important, and what you're doing is you're taking a client and you're looking at the whole perspective of the client's problems. A lot of problems, for example, in law arise because the person's personal life is in complete disarray. They might have drug, alcohol and other problems, relationship problems, domestic violence, business problems, financial problems, a whole range of different things. And it's important to look at all those issues to present a solution that really wraps all those things up, because sorting out the various areas of someone's life, it actually sorts out their legal problems and gives them a path for enhanced well-being. It involves the lawyer perhaps engaging other practitioners. For example, you might need to engage drug and alcohol counsellors, get a drug and alcohol assessment, send the person to counselling. The person might need to go to anger management. The person may be a battered woman and need to go to counselling to help her address those issues so that she can gain strongness in herself and good self-esteem. It may involve a whole range of different things that the person might need counselling for, treatment, referral to other practitioners for a range of other solving of other legal problems, whether they be personal, professional, business, psychological or health related. And of course some problems are mental health related as well and can be related to physical needs too. So in terms of holistic law, you're looking at the whole interrelated person of their life, their lifestyle, their psychological needs, their financial needs, their home life, their professional life, and if that's interacting, for example, in the criminal justice system, how you can resolve those issues to prevent reoffending and to perhaps mitigate the problem in court to get a reduced sentence, or whether that's going to help them with a defence if that's part of the whole situation. And so holistic law is looking at the whole situation, and it applies to lots of a range of different areas of law, and it's highly recommended that that process be adopted if you want to have lifelong change and increase your well-being out of your engagement with your lawyer. And when that's combined with a process such as therapeutic jurisprudence in relation to the problem-solving courts and the specialist needs, you can get really good process going to actually help prevent reoffending and increase the litigants' sense of satisfaction with the justice process and prevent damage to society and the reoffending. And it stops re-victimisation of your victims or the risk to society for whatever the crimes are going on, because you've actually started to resolve their needs in a holistic approach. So by using preventative lawyering, holistic law approach in conjunction with therapeutic jurisprudence and in conjunction with the problem-solving courts and in relation to some of the other theories we're going to talk about, you can really get some lasting change going. And so it just revolves a different kind of way of thinking. It's not just resolving one problem, you might need to resolve many problems in order to affect actual change, to get actual change so that you can stop offending, you can increase self-esteem and increase the well-being to families and to that litigant and to society. Thank you.